Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by making the audio accessible. Download the Apple Music track or export it from another device. Once done, open iPhone settings and give Capcut access to photos and files so the app can import audio. If Apple Music prohibits direct import, make a local copy as M4A or MP3 using a permitted converter on your computer, then transfer it to your device. These steps ensure Capcut can read the file, which is essential before moving into the editor. Next, open Capcut and create a new project with your video clips. Then tap Audio, choose Sounds, and select your sounds to import the saved Apple Music file from Files or the Music Library. Make sure you pick the exported M4A/MP3 if required. After importing, drag the audio onto the timeline, use trim and split to match key beats, and nudge clips frame by frame. Also use the waveform zoom to align chorus hits with visual cuts so your edits feel intentional and rhythmic. To finish, balance audio levels, lower background, enable ducking for dialogue, and add short fade-ins and outs to prevent pops. Once satisfied, export with AAC audio in MP4 container at 320 kbps for clean sound. If the track refuses to import, make sure Capcut permissions are enabled in Settings, then re-import via the Files app. Alternatively, re-export the audio from your computer in MP3/M4A format. Finally, preview.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.